Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, AutoBrief, request a new brief suggestion. I'm going to show you how you can instantly request a new AutoBrief if you don't like the AutoBrief that was originally suggested. Previously in our AutoBrief videos, I've showed you how to use AutoBrief generally and also how to use the AutoBrief accept stroke. In this video, however, I'm going to show you how to use the AutoBrief new command. This allows you to write a steno stroke to automatically and instantly request a new brief for the last suggested AutoBrief in your suggested list. Like the ABACCEPT entry, you do have to have the ABNEW entry in your metadictionary. If I go to my user settings, to the programming tab, to the metadictionary, I can click find, type in open bracket AB. You see that I have a complete list of AutoBrief commands. And in this list is AutoBrief new or ABNEW. So since I've confirmed that this is in my metadictionary, I can close out of my user settings. And I've already added this to my main dictionary. You can add strokes to your main dictionary by pressing Control D as in dog, choosing the steno that you want to use, and typing in the definition that you'd like to set that steno as. You can also write the steno that you'd like to use for ABNEW in a real-time file, and then global it. Just make sure that whatever stroke you use for ABNEW enters your dictionary defined as open curly bracket, capital ABNEW, close curly bracket. I'm going to close out of my dictionary since I've confirmed that my ABNEW stroke is here, and I'm going to open up a sample file that I've prepared to demonstrate how the ABNEW function works. So I'm going to press Alt-T, I'll hit the Notes button, and select my ABNEW file. And for this example, I'm going to use virtual real-time. And I'm going to go ahead and push through strokes to begin generating AutoBriefs. The first brief that'll be generated will be for my name. And you see that that brief has been generated. But what I'd like to do is get a different brief. I don't like hitting this combination of strokes, and so I'd like to request a new brief, and I'm going to hit my stroke for ABNEW. And you see that as soon as I hit ABNEW, and you see that this steno shows up in my note bar, and it is defined in my main dictionary as ABNEW. And as soon as I stroked my ABNEW stroke, I got a new brief for my name. So now if I continue pushing through strokes, that new brief will work. And you see there the new brief was used, and it's changed to the used brief color. The next AutoBrief is going to be for Advantage Software. And again, I'm going to request a new brief for this entry. And here again, I've requested a new brief with my new brief stroke, and my AutoBrief has changed. Now it's a 2-stroke for add instead. I'm going to continue pushing through strokes in the sample document. And in this paragraph, I've begun accumulating more suggested briefs. And the next thing I'd like to show you about ABNEW is that it only applies to the last suggested brief. The next 2 strokes that I'm going to push through are going to request a new brief for cart providers, and the steno is going to change from KAR to something else. And you see that the steno changed to KA*. However, next I'm going to hit my ABNEW stroke again, but since cart providers is still the most recently suggested brief, it's going to apply to that brief again. And you see that this time I got KA*R for cart providers. And so if you don't like the first brief that Eclipse suggests to you, you can hit ABNEW again, and you can continue to hit your stroke for ABNEW until you get a brief that you like. But keep in mind that ABNEW, just like ABACCEPT, only applies to the last suggested brief in the list. So ABNEW will apply to the last suggested brief until that brief is used or otherwise changed to a different category outside of the suggested category. Once I use a brief for cart providers, at that point I'd be able to use ABNEW to change the brief for provider, and so on and so forth. ABNEW is an excellent way to get a new brief if you don't like a brief that has been suggested, like if the brief is difficult to hit or is a stroke that might easily be misstroked. And since ABNEW only applies to the last suggested brief, that ensures that you can continue requesting new briefs for the same suggestion until you get one that you do like. The ABNEW command is a simple and great way to make the autobrief feature more flexible, and I hope that you'll give it a shot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions about AutoBrief or any of Eclipse's other great features, or Advantage Software's other amazing products, please don't hesitate to contact us. Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.